English Easy Practice. Do you want to learn English vocabulary faster? And boost your speaking skills quickly?
We can speak English.
Then, welcome to our new video to improve your English skills. In this video, we'll dive into a fun and interactive learning experience designed to improve your English speaking skills.
Speak English.
Now, we will have a 4-part exercise. Part 1, listening practice. Part 2, vocabulary. Part 3, listen and answer practice. Part 4, shadowing practice. Now, are you ready to train your brain to speak English fluently? Let's get started.
Part 1, English Listening Practice. In the first part, you'll listen to a conversation between native English speakers. Try to focus on the meaning of the conversation when you listen to it. This will help you understand real-life conversations better.
You can say that again. Wow, this store is so expensive.
You can say that again. Look at this t-shirt. It's $40.
That's too much for a simple t-shirt.
I agree. Let's check the next store.
This place is better. The prices are more fair.
Yes, and the clothes look nice too.
What do you think of this blue dress?
I like it. It's your style.
I think so too. And it's only $25.
That's a good deal. I'll look for a jacket. I need one for fall.
I hope you find a nice one.
Thanks, we really see eye to eye when it comes to shopping.
Yes, we both like good style and good prices.
Let's try these on.
Let's go.
Part 2, Learn Vocabulary. Now, let's explore some new words together in our vocabulary section. I'll explain a few words and use them in example sentences to help you grasp their meaning easily.
Vocabulary.
You can say that again. We say this when we agree with someone very much. It means, yes, I totally agree. Example: that movie was boring.
You can say that again. I almost fell asleep.
You can say that again.
You can say that again.
You can say that again.
Disgusting, wasn't it?
You can say that again.
You can say that again.
You wouldn't want to see this.
You can say that again.
You can say that again.
This is just awful.
You can say that again.
Yeah, you can say that again.
Well, actually...
See eye to eye. To agree with someone. If you see eye to eye, you think the same way about something.
Example: Emma and her brother don't see eye to eye about music. He likes rock, but she likes pop.
We didn't see eye to eye.
But she and I don't exactly see eye to eye.
I know we don't always see eye to eye, but...
No, I know we don't see eye to eye.
Sometimes family doesn't see eye to eye.
Sometimes we're just not going to see eye to eye.
Yeah. We don't see eye to eye on everything.
We didn't see eye to eye on.
Yeah, we don't see eye to eye.
We often see eye to eye on certain things.
Or who don't see eye to eye.
When it comes to. Used to talk about a topic or subject. It means talking about this thing.
Example. When it comes to food, I love pizza the most.
When it comes to presents, but
when it comes to apologizing.
When it comes to flying.
When it comes to love.
When it comes to marriage.
When it comes to me.
When it comes to parties.
When it comes to relationships.
When it comes to women.
When it comes to women.
When it comes to you. When it comes to you.
I want to remind you something, guys. Repetition is very important to become fluent in English. So, watch this video many times. Try to answer the questions out loud and you will improve your speaking skills quickly.
Part 3. Listen and answer practice. Time for some interactive practice. Listen carefully to the questions I ask about the conversation. Try to answer them out loud before I reveal the correct answers. This will boost your speaking and listening skills. Repeat this exercise every day until you can say the answers quickly and confidently. Answer the questions out loud.
Wow, this store is so expensive.
Did Mia think the store was cheap? No, she didn't think the store was cheap. How did Mia think about the store? She thought the store was expensive. What did Mia say about the store? She said it was expensive. The prices were too high. You can say that again. Look at this t-shirt. It's $40. Did Jack agree with Mia? Yes, he did. He agreed with her. What did Jack say to show he agreed with her? He said, "You can say that again." Did Jack say the t-shirt was $20? No, he didn't say it was $20. What did Jack say about the t-shirt? He said it was $40. That's too much for a t-shirt.
That's too much for a simple t-shirt.
Did Mia think the t-shirt was a good price? No, she didn't. She said it was too much. I agree. Let's check the next store.
This place is better. The prices are more fair.
Where did they go after the first store? To another shop. They walked to a new store. Did Mia like the second store? Yes, she did. She said the prices were more fair. Yes, and the clothes look nice too. What did Jack think of the clothes in the second store? He said the clothes looked nice.
What do you think of this blue dress?
I like it. It's your style.
I think so too.
What did Mia find in the second store? A blue dress. She found a blue dress. Did Jack like the blue dress? Yes, he did. He said it was her style.
And it's only $25.
Did Mia buy the blue dress for $40? No, she didn't buy the blue dress for $40. How much was the blue dress? $25. It was only $25. That's a good deal. I'll look for a jacket. I need one for fall.
I hope you find a nice one.
What did Jack want to look for? A jacket. He needed one for fall. Did Mia hope Jack would find a nice jacket? Yes, she did. She hoped he would find a nice one. Thanks, we really see eye to eye when it comes to shopping.
Yes, we both like good style and good prices.
Do Mia and Jack see eye to eye when it comes to shopping? Yes, they do. They both like good style and good prices. How do they do when it comes to shopping? See eye to eye. They see eye to eye when it comes to shopping. Let's try these on.
Let's go.
What did they do at the end of the conversation? They went to try on the clothes. They said, "Let's go." Part 4. Shadowing practice. Lastly, we have the shadowing practice. Read your lines out loud after the speakers as they talk in the conversation. Focus on the rhythm and intonation of the English expressions and sentences. This exercise will sharpen your pronunciation and overall speaking abilities. Let's begin.
Wow, this store is so expensive. That's too much for a simple t-shirt. This place is better. The prices are more fair. What do you think of this blue dress? I think so too. And it's only $25. I hope you find a nice one. Yes, we both like good style and good prices. Let's go.
You can say that again. Look at this t-shirt. It's $40. I agree. Let's check the next store. Yes, and the clothes look nice too. I like it. It's your style. That's a good deal. I'll look for a jacket. I need one for fall. Thanks, we really see eye to eye when it comes to shopping. Let's try these on. Great job on completing the English speaking practice. Keep watching this video every day for 1 week and repeat the exercises to see significant improvements in your English skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Happy learning!
Thanks for watching, guys. Now, I recommend you watch this great video too. It will help you to improve your English skills, and you will love it, I promise.